Tape Masters Inc. We've got the industry in our trunk.
DJ Khaled. I got my black and red Jordan Retro 6s on. I'm all about getting money. I love glorifying my hard work. Popping bottles. Shit, them hoes love it too. This DJ Khaled, we the best. Ayo, gang. Red Nation.
Red Nation. All I know is bottles and rockin' chains. Bottles and rockin' chains. Bottles and rockin' chains. Bottles and rockin' chains. Bitches and getting money. Bitches and getting money. Bitches and getting money. Bitches and getting money. Bottles and rockin' chains. Bottles and rockin' chains. Bottles and rockin' chains. Bottles and rockin' chains. Bitches and
Ayo,
getting
game, I wanna talk right now. I wanna let niggas know what I know. All I know is how to smash on everybody reckon and do what I do. What makes your money have to go and get a Hershey game. I don't really give a fuck if it's your record and you my brother, my nigga. Look, I got around first. See the way I come and how I do the game. Ask somebody you gotta know you need to get a nurse. Let me bang him with another killer. Then we put a couple bottles on the chiller, kill him with another verse. Everybody see the way I be going and going how I do it. Niggas don't even be knowing, but then again, yes, they do be knowing how I be banging. And every sheet of me giving you all the heat and me backing and every showing off. With all this money, you know where I'm heading, and I'm gonna get the Jordans, the patent leather 11s. They really banging all the way down to the third, and then I get a couple here with all this money I be getting, and I kill them with a bob. See the way your niggas stepping, and we pop bottles and we rock J's. See we rapping, respect the way I do it before I hit you with the weapon. Don't be spilling liquor all over my shit, give me a second. Shit. Anyway, see we gotta get it up, probably fill them out of love. Let me rap about a love, let me see. Everybody put your liquor bottle up. Let's go.
Bitches, I'm getting money. Bottles and rocking chains. Money like I'm LeBron. My whip collection insane. Suicidal thoughts. Highway to heaven riding like a bouse. Condominium in the clouds. 60 G's a month. 50 floors, marble walls. Pictures of Boston George. Bitches snorting blow. Fucking fast and cooking dope. Sanctified, ballet shoes, Audemars, Frankie Mueller. That's your part. My new bitches must menage. I'm a G.
Bottles and rockin' chains. Bottles and rockin' chains. Bottles and rockin' chains. Bottles and rockin' chains. Bitches and getting money. Bitches and getting money. Bitches and getting money. Bitches and getting money. Bottles and rockin' chains. Bottles and rockin' chains. Bottles and rockin' chains. Bottles and rockin' chains. Bitches and getting money. Bitches and getting money. Bitches and getting money. Bitches and getting money. Bottles and rockin' chains, smoking and sipping spades. Pistol tucked in my Louis, heated up like I'm Wade. Nigga don't do LeBrons, Kobe up on the weekend. Jordan's Monday through Friday, especially when I'm freaking. Them cool braids, that's Monday. Them Space Jams, that's Tuesday. Them Spike Lees on Wednesday. 23s on my Benz. Ay, you know I love them sixes, especially on my bitches. 13s and them spandex on Thursday. It's your birthday and Friday, I ain't lying. King of diamonds, I'm in heaven. Red bone, pussy popping on my black and red 11s. Patent leather when I step in. You know what I'm reppin'. S-O-O-W-O-O. Black number 4s, I ain't get them from the store. Bust no. That all I know is bottles and rockin' chains. Bottles and rockin' chains. Bottles and rockin' chains. Bottles and rockin' chains. Bitches and getting money. Bitches and getting money. Bitches and getting money. Bitches and getting money. Bottles and rockin' chains. Bottles and rockin' chains. Bottles and rockin' chains. Bottles and rockin' chains. Bitches and getting money. Bitches and getting money. Bitches and getting money. Bitches and getting money.
I put footprints in them couches. I put so much in my two-step. Put on for my city, I ain't got no choice but to rep. I put straight shots in their hand, make pretty girls do the ugly face, and they just put my song on. Move back, I need Dougie space like, ayy, ayy. Then it's right back to my muggin' face. Niggas said put the weed out, BBM you buggin' face. We walked in, won some, bottles pop like we won some. Raise a glass for everybody that's done some. From nothing, no grind, no shine. Dress code, we pay no mind. Cargos and J's on, they let sun in, no blinds. All I drink is my shit. Stop playing, you too. But tonight we on that red berry and cranberry.
And I'm smoking on that perp, sipping on that perp. I came in this bitch with some niggas that will murk, and we ain't bout all that talking. You a dead man walking, stomping nigga ass out. And these number 4 Jordan got a scope on the barrel, that's a hammer with a camera. Holla tips, nigga, tip a nigga like a dancer. I don't know nothing but bitches and getting money, blood gang, kill a nigga in public. Young Tunechi, shoot a nigga ass up, then it's deuces. Headshots, that fucking vest is so useless. Yeah, Chuck, fuck these niggas. You know who? P.I.R.U. Killer B, nigga.
Bottles and rockin' chains. Bottles and rockin' chains. Bottles and rockin' chains.
Yeah,
Bottles and
moolah,
rockin' chains.
baby.
Bitches and getting money. Bitches and getting money. Bitches and getting money. Bitches and getting money. Bottles and rockin' chains. Bottles and rockin' chains. Bottles and rockin' chains. Bottles and rockin' chains. Bitches and getting money. Bitches and getting money.
Tape Masters Inc.
Strongest team in the streets.
Shit.
Tape Masters Inc. The strongest team in the streets.
Shit.
This is a Tape Masters Inc. exclusive.
Cisco with 4 more. Four chain on 4 more. 4 and a 4 dome. Old hole on 4 more. 6 gold put 4 more. Check money that 4-4. 3,400 get you a 4. Shit I'm talking about 4 chain on 4 more. 4 and a 4 dome. Old hole on 4 more. 6 gold put 4 more. Check money that 4-4. 3,400 get you a 4. Shit I'm talking about. We sold, we skip coke, we flip coke, we took trips on big boats. I'm high as fuck behind low. It ain't no acting for the makeup. Don't losing band, shout them a 4-way for the makeup. We taking all plugs around my way, it ain't no re-up. Everything profit, niggas get snatched up out they Jacobs. Earrings and bracelets, my young rats can taste it. When that dog and VL get home, we going ape shit. Pull up in a photo with 4 hoes in a 4-way. White Bronco behind me, 4 choppers know it ain't OJ. Pull up on they side though, when we pull that slide though. Niggas let them, ooh, we let them K's go. I'm talking about them. 4 chain on 4 more. 4 and a 4 door. Old hole on 4 more. 6 gold put 4 more. Check money that 4-4. 3,400 get you a 4. Shit I'm talking about them. 4 chain on 4 more. 4 and a 4 door. Old hole on 4 more. 6 gold put 4 more. Check money that 4-4. 3,400 get you a 4. Shit I'm talking about.
On the low, my Benzo got 4 dough, got 4 hoes. You know how I do, Ashanti, no Momo. Chopper on front seat, on front street, I'm loco. Try him, he pop you that sure I know so. 2-4, that's slow low. 400, that's 4 show. What he rapping about, that's your life. Street nigga, that's 4 life. My jeans and my drawers and that bag, that 4-way. That white chick, that tan bra, that Gaga, that Norway. 4-4, that VP, you pull up in that power E. All they blue with the top off. Red dogs on that haterade. Middle of the block doing donuts. Yeah, bitch, I show off. What they hitting for? That 3-4. Yeah, bitch, that's 4. Bitch, that's 4. 4 chain on 4 more. 4 and a 4 door. Old hole on 4 more. 6 gold put 4 more. Check money that 4-4. 3,400 get you a 4. Shit I'm talking about them. 4 chain on 4 more. 4 and a 4 door. Old hole on 4 more. 6 gold put 4 more. Check money that 4-4. 3,400 get you a 4. Shit I'm talking about.
Got a Benz coupe with 4 doors. Trap spot with 4 stoves. What it do? They hitting folks. Made a $120 on 4 shows. Got a white bitch and a black bitch and a hood bitch with 4 goals. I forgot one, I got 4 hoes. Got 1 child, he a 4-year-old. Remember getting my first 4. Remember selling my first blow. Remember buying my first